Good morning guys, Fred Zint, Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you the Heartland Torque, model 345. Come on in, let me show you. We're going to go back to the garage part first. Come on back here. This one's got a 13-foot garage with a side-by-side dinette that converts into a bunk, along with the top bunk. You got storage up above. You also got a half bath, along with washer and dryer hookups. You got a nice reclining massage chairs, a double sink, a nice 55-inch flat screen with plenty of storage in the kitchen. You got the microwave, the oven, 3-burner stove. You got storage, plenty of pantry space. A nice Dometic 2-door fridge. Your power panels are right here. Come on up into the bedroom. When you come into the bedroom, you got a nice wardrobe to hang coats, plenty of storage above, nice king-size bed. When you come into the bathroom, you got a nice large shower, sink, nice vanity, plenty of cabinet space. And now we're going to go outside. I'm going to show you around the outside. Got a nice electric awning. Got a second entrance to the garage. In the summertime, you can make this into a nice patio. It's got gates that go around for protection. Here's your fuel station right here. This one's got a nice pass-through. Your propane tanks, you got one on each side. And then under the front storage compartment, you got an Onan 5500 quiet generator. Guys, if you want more information on the Heartland Torque 345, my name's Fred Zint. My cell number is 541-729-9500. Have a great day.